the LONGHI. Let's open it and let's assemble it. Oh my. Ow. Ooh. Manual. Oh. Ganito natin. Dito ka na. Oh. Lalagay ko na sa taas yung oh no. Voila! Nice. I don't even know how to use this, but okay. Mainit pa. And let's take this one off. Okay, I already watched the tutorial how to use this. Okay. This is the other parts. Okay, let's put this where she belongs. Bango. Bango. Okay. Okay. Ganito daw ito. Paano yun? Haha. Parang hindi ko alam. Saan nilalagay ang water? Ayun. So this is the filter. Gabby, this is the filter.
Yeah, filter.
Look at that. You have to move that one, then you move your coffee in there. Put it back and make sure that it's good. When it's locked, then let's see the other parts. Because I have this one, guys, for a long time, but I didn't open it. This is for our espresso filter. Let's open this one. Okay. It's for if you want to have like what's this? Okay. Yep. And this is it. So you have to put, if you want to have two, you need a manual. Then this is the scooper. And you have to put the filter. So we tried already my coffee, and that's my coffee station. I use this one for 2 days, and this is my coffee station. So I got this one is a gift. Actually, guys, my coffee maker is a housewarming present from my mother-in-law. Ayan, so then we are starting to use the pumpkin spice dark and creamy and fondant. And of course, this is a gift too from my mother-in-law, Epicure. So guys, if interested, yan, let me know. Yan. So this is my fruiter, milk fruiter, like that, and we're gonna use it in here if we want to make yummy coffee. Yeah. Then I got, what else? So that's our fruiter and milk fruiter for our coffee, and of course our espresso. I haven't tried espresso yet, and I haven't tried this milk yet, so we're gonna try that one pretty soon. This one has a charger from Epicure. It's a gift from my mother-in-law, and of course I need a lot more for my coffee station, but this is my tea. So as you know, I love chamomile, I have tazo. I always love black and green tea, but I'm running out of some of my tea, so that's my tea. I have other tea on the other side, and that's all. I have some espresso, then of course the milk carafa for my latte. I got that one separately, and of course we have espresso. I have no idea what's the best brand, but we will try whatever we have right now. And that's my coffee station for now. Okay, so we're just gonna put this one here and here. So that's all for today's, guys. And so good coffee, actually I liked it. So it's a great addition for my kitchen, and see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.